How do you evaluate your kind of music related to the band?
My kind of music is what we make. Is it? I always thought that music should be such that everybody understands it, but it should not be something that's so frivolous or I can only use the word stupid. So I always thought that there is something that that should be offered to a certain kind of people that belong to the same class or category that I do. I come from a middle class and the education class. Middle class are people actually who get educated. People who are in the poverty, they really don't have the money, and the people who have too much money, they really don't care. So the middle class is the one that actually gets educated, and they have all these issues. So I knew that there has to be somebody who addresses those issues, the actual common person's issues. Everybody talks about the common man in a very, very easy way, a very, very frivolous way. I think the common man is actually the middle class of this country. I feel that, and it has really grown so much. So I think when the kind of music Euphoria made it connected with people, it first connected with the middle class, and then everybody else said, "Oh, this must be good news," so we'll also listen to it. But I think the music that we made was always about the issues that actually trouble us. But more than anything else, I always wanted to speak about love. Because I felt that love is the strongest emotion. And nobody really talks about true love. Everybody talks about stuff which is not really love. Love is much deeper, it's much more tender, it's pure.
Yeah.
So it has to be sung in a particular way. And I said, that's what we did. And people have listened to us and they still listen to us. So that's good.
Yeah. Euphoria means state of intense excitement. After these 18 years, do you still feel as excited towards your music?
I'm very excited. Somebody's prepared for an interview. Very good. Very, very happy. Okay.
Or this music has become more of a routine to you?
I think the performing bit gets a little more like a routine because I think you're doing almost the same things on stage every day. When you get on stage. But I think what really keeps you going is the audience. You have a different audience every night. So there's an audience in Nagpur that will be different from an audience which was in say Pune, and an audience that was in Hyderabad from an audience that was say in Bombay. So you're always looking at different people. And next we're going to be playing in a small place called Sindri, which is in Jharkhand. So we're going. So I think the audiences keep changing, the conditions change. The singing does get a little routine, but the excitement, it just doesn't die. I was just saying my band today, I think what I really, really enjoy, and I've always enjoyed is creating new music. And doing newer things, coming up with newer ideas, newer lyrics, whatever. The new thing is much more exciting. And I wish, we keep doing this with newer stuff. I think that's all it is.
In your college days, you found out your band Euphoria and you composed your first song, Heaven on the Seventh Floor. What was the response of your college mates?
Yeah, first of all, my response is ऐसे journalists कहाँ बनते हैं? I'm not यार. I'll tell you what. We went to a medical college where there was a boys' hostel and there was a girls' hostel, and the boys' hostel and the girls' hostel was pretty far from. So, and we were in a very secluded place. UCMS in Delhi is a place called Shadra, which is completely secluded. There used to be one bus that used to go in the morning, and there was one bus that used to come back in the evening to the normal city. So, but then I used to stay on the 7th floor, and my room was supposed to be the place to have fun. Now, what kind of fun? Basically, the music. The music, there was a lot of music, and there used to be a lot of laughter. And if some girl had to sneak into the hostel, they used to come to my room for some unknown reason. They used to come to the room and they used to all have fun over there.
So we agree with the charm you had always.
I hope, I don't know, but whatever. But most of the girls made me their brother eventually. They were seeing my other friends. But I think it was more fun to be on that floor. And so I just thought of this fact that the only place in that entire barren college campus that we had, the best place was 7th floor. So usually heaven is much higher, but for me heaven was on the 7th floor. So we made this song, and I think my college mates were extremely excited because first of all, medical college is a very dry place. Who makes songs, and writes original songs?
Right.
So I think they were very excited. Kya gana likha hai?
Right.
And then I had to perform it in class many times. My teachers. So once I remember, I was in the pathology class, and the usual thing was I used to sit at the back row and sing when the class was on.
Okay.
So लोग मुझे ना अपनी फरमाइशें भेजते थे, ये गा दो, वो गा दो. So suddenly I remember my teacher, her name was Dr. Nishi Madan. Dr. Madan stops the lecture. She says, "Listen, we'll all stop. Palash, please sing Heaven on the 7th floor." So then I'm singing Heaven on the 7th floor. Yeah, but then the journey started there, and
you were favorite for the teachers as well.
I don't think so. Yeah, but I just, I always feel that I'm a very uncomplicated guy. I like to have fun, but I'm a very uncomplicated guy. So, plus, I think they like the fact that somebody is very frank and forthright, and I always was. And then I scored very well in exams, so that was a good combination.
there are many students from different academic backgrounds who are, good at many other different things, but parental pressure and
Usually parental pressure.
yeah, and then they have to pursue something else. So, what will be your advice to them, to pursue what they want, and rather than the
So guys,
pressure they face?
I've done whatever I've done. I have a lot of pressure from my mother. My father was actually the support for my singing, but he passed away. My mother was not at all interested in that because she always said that you are a doctor and this and that. Why do you want to become why do you want to go into this dirty industry? So I just give up my word. I said, Ma, I'll never ever be somebody that you will not be proud of, and I'll never ever do the things that this so-called industry is supposed to be. So many years have passed, and I still haven't really been assimilated or accepted by the Bombay film industry. I'm not really there. I still, this kind of music, this brand of music, this band is actually completely independent. I've never really compromised on my principles, and I'm doing what I want to do, and I do it in a clean, good way. I think everybody associates this kind of music, rock and roll, with the sex and drugs part of it. My point is very, very simple. It's also music. So I think we do it that way. But for us, it's like worship. And this entire band is full of people who are very simple and who are very committed to that. You saw us on stage, and everybody, is doing it like this is the last concert of our lives. So I think now my mother is pretty supportive of what I do. So I think that's great.
Is that the reason that you're successful? That's the reason she's supportive? Or
No, I think why she's supportive is because I'm successful and still I've not been crowded. So I think that's what she likes, the fact that I've still not been tempted into singing a cheap song or be caught up in a scandal or whatever it is, or do something that is not really.
So it's sheer music.
Yeah, so it's pure music, and we are the only band, maybe not in India, maybe in the whole world. We have a spiritual album to our credit. It's called Sharma. We are the only guys who came out with a spiritual album.
A while back, I had an interview with Pandit Vishwamohan Bhatt, and I asked him the question which I asked Amjad Ali Khan as well, that he was the guy who told that no wise man will let his child become a classical singer. That was his statement. So if I ask you the same question, will you agree with that?
A wise man will never tell his son or his daughter what to do. So I think that's more important. Bhatt साहब बहुत बड़े हैं, Amjad Ali Khan साहब भी बहुत बड़े हैं. I'm not going to say maybe they are right in what they are saying. I think it depends on the person whether to follow your good part or not. But I think everybody's life is separate. Everybody should have the independence to choose whatever they want to do. I would never tell my children what to do. उनकी जो मर्जी करें.
How does it feel when you're recognized more because of your music, which came effortlessly to you, than being studied for medical fields?
No, I think music is a lot of effort. It's a lot of effort. जो भी मैं 2.5 घंटे पे स्टेज पे करता हूँ, I know what it takes out of me. It really takes the juice out of me. Making songs is a lot of effort. Keeping yourself away from the so-called temptations of life, of money and whatever needs to be done, that needs a lot of effort. Silencing your critics needs a lot of effort. People who don't really support you, you need to have. So I think effort is meant here. But I know what you mean. See, I'm very happy that I could heal through two professions. As a doctor with my medicines and through the music.
No, but then I got to know from the sources that you're a doctor as well. I always knew that you're a singer. So how do you relate with that? Because you're well known as a musician or well known as a.
That's okay. Honestly, I was not even bothered if I was not well known as a musician. That was not my aim in life.
Right.
My aim was not really to be well known. My aim was to do what I want to do and do it in a good way. Everybody heard it and everybody loves it. That's great. But then even if they didn't. अभी भी मुझे लगता है, the kind of success and the kind of support that Euphoria should have got, we really haven't got. But it's okay by us because the thing is that the people who do listen to us with their hearts, and that's all.
What kind of expectation do you have? Like, what kind of support do you feel that you should?
I really feel that there should be more non-film music in this country. There's too much of film music in this country, and everything is just centered around film personalities. Like आपने विश्वमोहन भट्ट साहब की बात की, और आपने अब्दुल अली खान साहब की बात की. That's non-film music. But we are not supporting them. We are just supporting the so-called glamour industry, which is the film industry, and making sure that even if somebody is not really worth it, gets that kind of media space, and gets that kind of time from people, and that kind of money from people. I think maybe that's why Vishwamohan Bhatt साहब कहते हैं कि कोई भी क्लासिकल सिंगर अपनी बेटे, because उनको ये लगता होगा कि यार मैंने इतनी मेहनत की, इतनी साधना की, लेकिन ताली तो सनी लियोनी की मिली, तो इसलिए उनको खराब होता होगा.
But don't you think this is because public does support that? Public who wants such.
No, it's also how you present it. Man. See, it's very simple. Like you're sitting over here and you're speaking to me. There was a chance that you would not even speak to me. So how many people who are going to watch me on your channel would not get to watch me? It makes a difference.
Yes, it does.
So if somebody, because they have the muscle power and they have the money power and they are making sure that you know that everybody's got their PROs and this and that, and there's a huge machinery that's working to make sure that आप इनसे बात करो, इनसे बात करो, you understand? So the audience doesn't really know whether this guy is good or bad. They're just getting to see the person that has the money to be on TV. एक बार तुम उस situation में पहुंच जाते हो ना, you have to compromise. There's a lot of money riding in this. Everybody else who were part of the bands, KK's done very well, or Atif has done very well. They were all part of a band each, and they did very well. But then to each his own. I don't look down upon them, but I just hope they don't look down upon me, because I just stuck to my guns. I will never give up on my bros. Ye sab mere bhai hain, so I will never give up.
In past, there have been rumors about you getting into acting.
But then again, my choice of films is also not going to be a commercial film, and it's not going to be a film like whatever, Jism or whatever. You understand? It's going to be a simple film. So I do feel that I have the capacity to act, and somebody else also recognizes it. Why not? I'll do it.
So do you also feel that if you were acting in certain movies, so you should give your music to the...
Yeah, so I said I joined Euphoria to the music. I was acting, I was leading in the film, and Euphoria to the music.
So you agree with that?
That's okay. See, the thing is, as I said, if you get a guy who tells you make your music, instead of telling you what music to make, why won't you make? Music is not